Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven. In today's video, I'm going to be using this color palette in a Dutch pour. I got my paints all ready, so let's get down to it. The colors that I have chosen here are from the Friday Night Flip Cup Color Palette Challenge. I think we're into like week 12 now. So if you haven't joined in, get on over to Friday Night Flip Cup and see what we do with that and all our artist friends, creative friends, and see what they produce. It's a really fun challenge. Every week we have a new palette. So let's get down to it. I'm going to put a base of white and I'm going to lay my colors in. All the colors that I have mixed here are kind of a hodgepodge of different colors, different paints. On Testing Tuesday, I do a bunch of different types of paint, brands of paint, and these are the leftovers. I mix them together to do these pours. So what they are exactly, I couldn't tell you. But that is the fun part about this color challenge, is taking leftover paint that you have and mixing it and seeing if you can get how close you can get to the colors just by mixing your own paints. I'm going to start from this end and work my way over. Now I started with approximately 50 grams of paint in this cup, and you can see it, you don't use I still have the majority of the cup in here, so you don't use very much paint for a Dutch pour. So if you're wanting to practice color concepts, Dutch pour is your way to go. So with that being said, let's bring out the little glow hair dryer here and start blowing this out. So we're going to take our world's smallest leaf blower and we're going to do some finer details in here. I'm going to start without the attachment, and then if I feel the need to, I will come back in with the attachment. I think we got it. I'm going to hit it with my favorite tool in my toolbox, which is my plastic knitting needle, and I'm just going to come in and hit some of these so they're a little bit more wispy, because that to me makes me happy. So I'm going to torch this real quick and then we'll do our close-up. So I hope this painting motivates you to try our color palette challenge. I'll be using these colors in a flip cup this Friday night. Link in the description. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you. Remember, be kind to one another. Peace, love, and happiness.